A Moment That Matters with Dr. Jon Roebuck.
Good morning. You know, I'm always a little confused about when to put away the Christmas tree once December 25th has come and gone. I know some people who think it really needs to be down by New Year's Day, while others insist on not taking it down until after New Year's Day. But there's always a sadness in it for me. I hate the thought of packing all of that spirit of Christmas away for another 11 or so months. I had a friend growing up who lived alone and had a beautiful artificial tree on a little platform with wheels. When Christmas was over, he would unplug it, he would roll it down the hall and close it off in a closet. Next December, he would open the closet and roll it into place, fully decorated and ready to go. Well, let's be careful about packing away Christmas too soon. I'm not worried about the tree or the decorations. I'm worried about the spirit of Christmas and our quick return to the mundane. I invite you to let the spirit of Christmas carry you well into the next decade, because it matters.